Hello, my name is Christina. Today I will tell you how to create MetaMask wallet. To start creating MetaMask wallet, we need to open Chrome browser. Then click on button in upper right corner and choose additional tools and extensions. After that we click on extensions button in upper left corner and open Chrome store. Type MetaMask in search bar. Click on MetaMask and install. Click to install extensions and wait for MetaMask to install. And now we can get started. Now you have choice to import wallet or create wallet. We need to create. We agree with conditions of MetaMask. Now need create a password and in second line confirm it by typing pass again. Agree with conditions and click create. Now click next. Here use secret words that MetaMask offers you for security of your wallet. Those words must be copied and saved in text documents. I'll name text document like MetaMask words. Click next. Here you need to select secret words in the same order like in your text documents to confirm. And click confirm. Click done. My congratulations, you just create your wallet. Close this window. There is your wallet number which you will always specify to receive cryptocurrency. To get number, click on it and click copy. You have swap. Here you can exchange cryptocurrency. Here you specify wallet number of person to which you want to send cryptocurrency. And here you can buy any cryptocurrency. Fixing MetaMask to panel. Now we can open MetaMask by clicking on icon on panel and expand it. That's all. Thank you for watching and take care.